So what's going on YouTube? This is Lewis coming from Squeaky Clean Commercial Cleaning Company, and I wanted to drop a quick video today to kind of talk about something that I'm doing right now, and it's actually subcontracting jobs out. So what happened is that I was tasked or hired to perform a treatment at a church facility. So we provided a cleaning for them, did a mold treatment to kind of inhibit and prevent some mold from occurring or reoccurring in their sanctuary so that they can reopen. And they hired us to do that treatment for their facility, and also they wanted us to do their pews and their carpet cleaning along with some chairs that they have in the sanctuary. And if you've been in the sanctuary, you know there are a lot of pews. They're really, really long. Some have upholstery on the bottom seat only. Some have upholstery on the bottom and the backs of the chairs. So these specific pews actually have the upholstery on the bottom and on the backs of the chairs, which would take a little bit longer. Now, normally something small I can handle myself, but I wanted to get into the point where I was subcontracting work out to other companies to kind of give me the ability to level up and to get more clients. So what I did was I partnered with a young man who has his own cleaning company here in Columbia. He's great. I'll leave a link in the description below if you actually want to hire him and you're in the Columbia area or the Midlands area. He travels. He's really, really good. So what we did was subcontracted him to do the job. And in essence, what it does is it frees me up to do other things. It helps another company kind of level up and grow and build their business. And it also will help us get referrals for other jobs down the line. So if you're out there, you're a cleaning company, and you have a client that says, hey, do you do this? Do you do window cleaning? Do you do carpet cleaning? Do you do hardwood floors? Don't feel discouraged. Don't feel, okay, well, I don't want to tell them no because it'll make me feel like I'm not a reputable or a huge business or anything like that. You can always, always, always subcontract that stuff out. Subcontract it out to another company that actually does work. Now you have to do your due diligence and see what type of reputation that client has, that business has that you're trying to subcontract, so that you're not putting yourself in a situation where they are using your company's reputation and not doing a good job. So you want to make sure you're checking behind the people that you're actually subcontracting, and there are ways to do that. If you would like a discussion or a quick conversation about how you can do that, there's a link below. You can set up a Calendly. So if you want to schedule a call, you can follow the link below, and you can schedule a call to actually kind of shoot, brainstorm, kind of go over some ideas of some things that actually worked for me, and I can actually share that with you. Also, you want to make sure, once again, that when you are getting these companies that you want to subcontract out, that you are actually vetting them to make sure that they're legit, making sure that they do a good job. So if you have to check references, even if you have to kind of have them do a job for you and then see how they handle their business, that way you can use them later on down the line as a subcontractor. So with that being said, I wanted to make a quick video to just kind of trying to motivate people to know that, hey, don't limit yourself to just cleaning residential, cleaning commercial, and just leaving it at that. You can do a wealth of other things to add on to your business, and you can use other businesses as subcontractors to be able to get more business into your own pockets. So with that being said, if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. And hopefully I will be talking to you really, really soon. We've been pretty busy, which is a blessing, and I'm humbled to even have the opportunity. Hopefully you can do the same. Let's level up. Let's keep moving. And once again, like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, have a blessed day.